do it with Hostinger. Next, let's talk about automations. So I'll click on automations. And now we can set up automations for our subscribers. So I'll click on get started. And first, let's just create a basic single welcome email. So I'll click on single welcome email. Here you'll see the email and the triggers, and I'll click on use this flow. Now this is gonna be sent to all subscribers. You can also click on specific segments and you can actually automate specific segments if you wanna go that route, but I'm just gonna put all subscribers and then I'll click on generate templates. First, I'll select welcome newsletter, and then you can update this prompt right here and just fill in your information. So you'll go ahead and just update this just a bit, but I'll just go ahead and run this prompt. So I'll click on send. And here we go. We have this welcome email. And of course, you might want to update this to, showcase your website and, say, hey, welcome to our website and stuff like that. So you can fully customize this email template. But for now, I'll just click save changes. And then we can click on start automation. So here, I'll click on start automation. Okay, great. Now for many of you, you might have to upgrade. Now let me go ahead and talk about the pricing for automation really quick. Now I am currently on the 500 subscriber a month plan, which is about a few dollars a month. However, if you look at the 1,000, this is about $3 a month. But let's just say, for example, we jump to 10,000. So let's say like you're a serious email marketer and you have a large list. Now this is the most affordable email marketing in the industry. If we look at our competitors like Omnisend, you'll see that Omnisend charges, actually I'm gonna take this off. They charge about $170 per month for every 10,000 contacts. Also Mailchimp. Mailchimp's also very expensive. So Mailchimp, you'll see for 10,000 contacts, they're gonna charge you actually $230 after it renews. So it's very expensive with other providers. However, if you go with Hostinger, it's about 20 bucks a month. So it's drastically cheaper than their competitors. And if you actually go to 50,000, it'll be about 63 bucks a month, $64 a month. And if you go to 50K on their websites, it's gonna be extremely expensive. You're talking about almost $800 a month. And the same thing for Mailchimp, it's gonna be very expensive. So they're gonna charge about $630 a month. So I do recommend to start with something small, maybe just go with like the 500 or the 1,000, see if it's for you or not. And if it doesn't work out, you can always get your money back. So let's go ahead and go back. Now there's a few more things I wanna talk about before we go into the vibe coding. Here under more services, if we click on this, you'll see that there's a marketplace and they offer a variety of features where you can get different hosting. Here you'll see that you can actually deploy a variety of different hosting, and you can also use our coupon code for any of these plans. They also have VPS hosting. They have different website builders. They have domains, email providers, WordPress installations, and a few other services such as NordLock, NordVPN, and then also these other services. Now, if you do want to go with NordVPN or something, if you go through Hostinger, I do believe it's a lot cheaper. Now over here, we have WordPress add-ons. This is essentially where you can generate free reports for your website.